Okay. I'm staying right here.
Reasons for your own safety, please back up. We'll shut the stage down as a safety measure. We care about you, we would like you to back away from the stage.
No, this did not just happen. Where's the magic? Look at that. That little corner right there? It's mine. Oh, it's mine. Oh, what about Tiesto? Oh my god.
It's like a WWE wrestler, doesn't he?
Fuck! I'm so mad. I want to see Tiesto. I want to see Tiesto. Oh my god.
We're not moving back because we want to see Avicii, Tiesto! Woo! Come on! What the fuck? No. It's not moving back. It's going to be pissed off. The reason why you came is not having
Woo! EDC malfunction right here. Oh my god.
We should